Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this classic granny square. It's a very beautiful pattern and you will see this pattern in most of the blankets and jackets and sweaters in different projects in the bags as well. Let's start it together. First I have to make a chain, 4 chains, and make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains and make a circle with slip stitch. One, two, three chains and then double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet. I count these 3 chain as a first double crochet, so now I have 3 double crochet, then make 2 chains and 3 double crochet again in the ring. Two, 3, again 2 chains and 3 double crochet. So 4 times we have to make 3 double crochet, total of 12 double crochet and 2 chains in each corner. Two, 3, 3 double crochet and 2 chains, and now slip stitch. First round is complete. Pull the yarn to make the ring tighter. Now I'm going to cut this yarn and I will add a new color. I'm making these squares for my shawl and I will post my shawl video inshallah in few days. So every time when we have to start a new round, we will start it in the corner. The corner where we made 2 chains, we have to start every time new round in this area. Now again 3 chains, I will count it as a double crochet and I am going to make 3 double crochet together. Now 2 chains because I am making another corner for round 2 and 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1, this is corner, and for the middle chain 1 and make another 3 double crochet in the middle of these gaps. Again we are making 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in this same 2 chain area. One chain again and make 3 double crochet in the third corner, you can see here, and I will explain you in detail in the end. You have to follow the same 3 double crochet set in each corner, and between these you have to make 1 chain. Now second round is complete. Cut the yarn and attach the new color and again start working in the third row in the corner. Okay, you can see in this one again these are 4 corners. Now we have to work in the 4 corners and in the middle as well. Again To start a new row, we will add 3 chains and 1 double crochet, and that's the second. Altogether 3 double crochet, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet. We are keeping the same pattern. I think I moved my hand from the camera so you cannot see properly, but I will tell you shortly how we can make it. Okay, again chain 1, and now in the middle gap you have to make another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, there's a 3 double crochet, chain 1, and now again repeat the same pattern. You have to weave the loose ends of the yarn in between your stitches. Again I'm making 3 double crochet set of 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet again. Now finish the round in the same way. Now you can see the round 3 is done. Now cut the yarn and attach a new color. We are only going to make 4 rounds for this one, but you can extend according to your design. Again I am starting with 3 chains. I will show you in some other video how you can avoid 3 chains and you can start directly from double crochet. But in this pattern I am using 3 chain as a starting stitch, and I am counting it as a first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, again 2 chains, and 3 double crochet again in the corner. Two, 3, chain 1, now in this middle point you are making 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet in the other gap. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and then again 3 double crochet in next gap. 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and now again repeat what we done in the last corner. 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. So keep repeating the same pattern until you finish this round. Now you can see I finished this round, and with the slip stitch I will finish the stitching. I will take one extra stitch, slip stitch, and now finish my work. Okay, now you can see there is a 4 rows round, and you can make 5 or 6, whatever is your desired pattern is. Okay, so in first one you can see I made 4 chains and then 12 double crochet. After 3 double crochet I made 2 chains for the corners in 4 sides. Then in the second row in the corner I made again 2 set of 3 double crochets and I made 2 chains between them, and in the middle I only made here 1 chain, 2 chains here in the corner and 1 chain in the middle, and every time I will make 3 double crochet of next round in these chains. This way you can complete your pattern. Now it's all done. First round, second round, third round, fourth round. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.